Hi, and welcome to another Fit for Purpose product presentation. In this segment, we'll be talking about the Tanova laundry range. Tanova products, whether they're pull-out bins, pull-out laundry hampers, or pull-out drawers, are all designed for Kiwis by Kiwis. We work very closely with designers and kitchen makers to make sure Tanova is truly fit for purpose in New Zealand homes. We've also worked hard to develop locally made baskets, so we're really delighted that the entire Tanova laundry range carries the official New Zealand made license. For example, Tanova Designer Series 2 laundry baskets were developed in response to industry requests for a top-notch push-to-open function. Tanova Designer Series 2 laundry hampers are built on premium quality Simlead drawers by Slide. The push-to-open on these units is awesome, with an ever-active function. That means if the unit is open but you need it open a little more, you can give it a nudge and it opens up further. Excellent for when your hands are full or dusty or sticky. With Tanova Designer Series 2 laundry units, you can select a soft close or a soft close with push to open. They have an outstanding load capacity of 70 kgs, and there's models for cabinets from 350mm wide up to 700mm wide, and options with 1 or 2 plastic hampers. Now, if you select a 2 basket model, you can have one in white and one in blue to assist with pre-wash sorting into light and dark colours. And now a few points for the kitchen makers and cabinet makers out there. Tanova Designer Series 2 units come complete with a Simlead D-height drawer, drawback, base, panel sides and buckets, so they fit seamlessly with the Simlead Premium Simline drawer range.